Chinatown is after 6 p.m. Meron pa ng sightseeing bus going to Chinatown. That's pretty good. Tayo kakain. Oh, dapat nag-cross na tayo ng street kanina pa. Oh. Anong pangalan ba? Ayan, yan na lang sa Hagaw, oh. Masarap yan, oh, Berna. Ayan, oh, sikat yan yung Hagaw na yan. Ayan mo doon sa Hagaw. Ayun, oh. Sikat kaya yan. Pinasikat ni TripAdvisor. Tuloy si Berna kasi hindi yata ayos yung kanyang map. Ito, masarap, durian. Pedestrian, no? Baka ma-jaywalking pa tayo dyan. Hindi pwedeng tumatawid kung saan-saan kahit pa paano may pulis. Yan. Pedestrian kailangan para walang huli, iwas huli. Hindi, you just don't cross the street. O, yan na. Nakakain din na pa rin sa Hagaw. Sikat ito eh, pinasisik. Hello. Sige, upo ka na, Berna. May second floor. Sige, kukunan ko lang to. Ito ang Hagaw. Pinasikat ito ni TripAdvisor at saka mga vloggers. Yes, kanya yung mga vloggers. Ano sila ngayon? Sikat sila kasi marami silang pinasisikat na places. Ayan, ay, galing niya mag-prepare, oh. Wow. Over the counter lang, take home yan. Galing nila mag-prepare ng food. So, pwede rin pala mag-take home dito, oh. Yes. Ay, nako, masarap yan, doy. Oh, yum yum. Uy, nako, dinagdagan pa ng sauce. Hagaw is very, very famous. Thank you for showing me your food. Oh, wow, that looks great. What is it?
This is crispy barbecue, barbecue pork, roasted duck.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Nai.
Na?
Nai.
Okay, Nai. Thank you so much, huh? Thank you so much. Because I'm doing a vlog. Oh, what a nice place. Oh, ganda pala ng lugar na to. Sa baba, not so many people, but here, lots of crowd. Oh, by the window, pinili mo. Kapili ka na? May crab rice.
Daming pagkain.
Oo nga, sikat ito eh.
Ay, pero ang specialty yata dito, hakaw.
Ha? Ang daming tao. Specialty, hakaw, kahit ano rito, masarap. Sige, basta ako, order mo. Pwede bang duck na leg lang? Leg.
So wala.
Just the leg. Ganda pala talaga ng place na to. Simple lang, pero may dating. Ito, grabe yung kanyang hakaw. Iba-ibang kulay. United Flavors, 7 Wonders of Taste. Imagine that. 8 colors. Wow. Order si Berna. Chicken din natin. Oh, wow. Uy, ang ganda na ito. Noodle and creamy shrimp sauce. Oh, sarap din to. Anong order mo? Actually, ito masasarap tong may mga rice. Ang talagang hinahanap namin, itong crab fried rice. Yun nga lang, hindi yata nila specialty yan. So, bahala na si Madam Berna. More look, ang dami palang pagkain talaga dito, Mama Berna. Kahit ano lang, kung walang duck leg, ang dami pala niya talagang pagkain. Wow! Pagka ganito karaming pagkain, medyo malilito ka na kung anong o-orderin mo. Ito, may duck leg kaya? They have? Okay, kung meron, sige, duck leg ako. Ikaw, dim sum.
Yeah, how much?
How much lang?
Small, okay. This one. Yeah.
Okay, kaintindihan ha? Okay, so finally, ito, order ni Berna para sa akin. Ayan, may duck leg daw. Oh, small 250. 450 yung medium, 950. Pero yan, may kasama ng egg noodle. May dagdag pala yung egg noodle. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Make the food good. Food is here. Mabilis, ha? Yan yung egg noodles. So, to be mixed with the leg of duck, which is one of my favorites. Oh, may kasama palang peanuts, ha? Alright. Kasama water, syempre. Oh, ayos. Thank you, Mama Berna. Serving nila. May siopaw ka pang in-order? Okay. Anong klase yung siopaw yan, Mama Berna? Pork or no? Pork. Okay. Bakit 4 kinds of dim sum lang? There were 8 kinds of dim sum, Anyway, tagalawa tayo ah. Share, share, share. I'm sharing you my duck. Share me with your dim sum. Madam Berna yung ano, yung hakaw. Oh. Okay, so while Berna is watching, eating pala. Thank you again for watching our vlogs here in Chinatown. This is called Hargao in Chinatown.